Good morning, guys. It's Erin here, and I'm with Michael in San Diego, and it's honestly feeling like summer. It's about 9 a.m. and it's already 85 degrees, would you say?
Yeah.
It's so nice out. So we are heading to the beach right now. We're gonna go for a little surf session. Yesterday we surfed PB Point when we first got to San Diego, and it was actually super fun. So I think we're gonna go check that spot out right now. I don't know, I might even not wear a wetsuit today. It's that warm and nice out. We'll definitely feel like it's summer if that's the case. Yeah, we'll see. So today we're just gonna have a really chill beach day, I think. Surf multiple times, read on the beach, maybe work out. Should be a really good day. I'll see you guys when we get to the beach. Okay, we just got to PB Point. It's so nice out. We're gonna go check the waves. Oh, heck yeah. Oh, looks good. It's way cleaner today than it was yesterday. Caitlin!
Hey.
I'm so sorry we're late.
Oh, it's okay.
Hi! I missed you. How are you?
I'm good.
So look who I ran into.
Hello.
It's Caitlin from UCSB Days. Now we're in San Diego.
Yes,
Gonna
surfing
go
it
surf.
up.
Woo! I don't think I'm gonna trunk it today, just because I don't want to freeze. So I'm gonna wear this spring suit. All right, we're in there. Gotta put on some sunscreen. Wear some sunscreen. I've got this little pouch right here with all the goodies. Got some mineral sunscreen. There's no wind today. It's so nice. See you guys out in the water.
Sometimes it feels like I'm all alone. Sometimes life just ain't enough. No matter what I do or where I go, it seems like I'm aiming far too low. You and I still have something. We still have somewhere to go, so why don't you come over? So why don't you come over? Why don't you come over? Why don't you come over? Sometimes it feels like you know the right way. Sometimes you just don't care at all. Oh. And when I'm holding you, I'm where I wanna be. You make me feel I'm closer to the sky. You and I still have that song.
We just got back to the car. The waves were super fun today. Really clean conditions. Water temp was pretty comfortable. I'd say it was in the mid 60s. The plan now is to finish changing, and then we're gonna go get some breakfast and then go find a nice quiet beach to lay out on. Did you have fun?
Yeah. Love following you around all day.
Oh yeah, Michael was on follow cam duty for most of the session. I'm so sorry about that, but you still got so many fun waves, Michael. So we're in Bird Rock, which is in La Jolla area, and we're getting some food from Seaside Surf Cafe. kind of feeling an acai bowl, but it's also noon, so I could be down for an actual lunch. Yeah, it's my first time here, so I'm excited to try it out. We got an acai bowl and a sandwich and a green smoothie. Just ran into one of my subscribers at Seaside Cafe. It was super fun to talk for a little bit. I love when you guys come say hi to me. Okay, if you ever see me in person, please come say hi. I love it so much. Yeah, anyway, we are off to Windansea. Hopefully the tide's not too crazy high so that there's some beach to lay out on. We're just going to enjoy the sunshine, maybe swim around a bit, just chilling because it's summer. We're driving through La Jolla right now, and these houses are goals. I would love to live here one day when I'm older and have millions and millions of dollars to spend on a house. It's so pretty.
Hey guys, so I'm back at the house after hanging out at the beach all day, and I wanted to take a moment to address something super important. With all that is happening in the world right now, I have been trying my best to focus on positivity. 2020 has been such a whirlwind of emotions and chaos for everybody. Change is happening right now, and it can be super uncomfortable, but it's necessary. I stand for peace and spreading love and kindness. It is truly amazing, especially seeing what has been happening this past week with the Black Lives Matter movement, what human beings can achieve if we all stand together for what is right and for what we believe in. We cannot live in a society that is unjust and oppresses people. In my personal life offline, I do my best to educate myself and to have important, uncomfortable conversations with people in my life so that that can bring about change. But the only way that we're actually going to make a difference is if we work at these issues every single day, and if we're mindful about how we stereotype people and what we pass on to our children and to everybody in our lives. I just wanted to use my platform to spread awareness and to promote kindness and love in every sphere of your life. I think that we as a unified people can really make impactful change, and we can heal the planet and everyone living in it. I will be linking a bunch of resources in my description box if you want to further educate yourself or to sign a petition or donate. It's all going to be down there. To be honest with you guys, it is pretty intimidating for me to voice these kinds of issues on my platform because I don't want to say the wrong thing, but I realize that saying nothing is worse, and if it's not perfect, I can do better next time. So it's 5:23 p.m. and in a little bit I'm going to get ready to go out for a little sunset outing with Michael. This is actually our last evening in San Diego, so we're gonna kind of celebrate a little bit. Lifeguarding season starts this weekend, so we have to go back to Los Angeles and we're gonna be pretty busy working on the beach this summer. That being said, I'm still going to try to post videos pretty frequently, so if you just want to comment below and let me know what you want to see from me this summer, I'll definitely keep that in mind. So yeah, I actually made a reservation at Duke's La Jolla at 8 p.m. Duke's is my favorite restaurant of all time, and I have been to every single one of their locations: Malibu, Huntington Beach, La Jolla, Maui, Kauai, and Oahu. That's how Michael and I are gonna celebrate, especially because restaurants are slowly starting to open up in Southern California. So anyway, I'm gonna go get ready to go out for the evening, so I'll see you guys in a bit.
So we made it to La Jolla Cove right in time for the sunset.
Little history, or actually like turn the camera that way. This left, right here, that looks absolutely perfect.
This left?
Yeah, fun fact, it's unsurfable.
Why is it unsurfable?
There are no hardboards allowed.
Why is that?
Not even a hand plane. However,
Why?
you can 100% body surf because it's a marine protected area, a seal
Oh.
and booby and whatever it is, sanctuary.
Well,
It's
should
called boomers. It's a really good body surfing way.
should we go find the seals?
What?
Go find the seals?
Sure.
It is such a beautiful evening, you guys. It's so warm, and I think we're gonna see an amazing sunset. Look at these seals. La Jolla Cove to me always smells like seagull poop. It's really pretty though. Just waiting for our dinner reservation at 8 o'clock. And in the meantime, we're gonna enjoy a beautiful sunset. Okay, so we are back at the house and I am so ready for bed. It was a super fun day. Pretty stoked I got to vlog and share it with you all. As usual, thanks for following along with me. Tomorrow I head back to Los Angeles, so I'll resume my normal life back up there. But anyway, thank you guys for watching and I will see you in the next video.